Hi friends, it's Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room and my channel. I'm so glad you're here and hope you're doing well. I'm going to do a flip through of this fun Disney Dumbo Journal today. So it has a cover made from a Dumbo storybook, a Disney Scholastic Disney Journal. We've got a tie closure and you can see some pretty pom-pom trim here. Get it all out. So cute, different color pom-poms. Really matches the cover. Here's the back. I did a little, just put a little sticker on there or a piece of ephemera to cover the barcode. And use the same trim and two signatures there on the spine. Got some goodies that's sticking out the top. And a fun Disney tassel. I used some leftover Disney fabric here in the tassel. Some fun kind of rainbow colored and some red I see eyelash yarn, and I've got baker's twine with lots of wood beads intertwined also, and I think that's everything. It is through on a notebook ring. Oh, here's a little charm here, a little silver bead charm there, and yeah, notebook ring, and it's through an eyelet right here, so it is removable. So let's just get started. This just unties. Got a nice long ribbon there. And then on the inside of the cover, of course, these books have a beautiful inside already, so I did not do anything with that. And we used a clear pocket here so that we wouldn't cover up any of that fun inside cover. Really pretty. And then, so in the pocket, I have one of my bingo journaling cards with one of the tickets there from my trip that I made it to a journaling card, and everything will fit right in this pocket, and a couple of cut aparts from the paper I was using, the Disney paper and the paper pad. I used two different ones in this journal, so lots of fun pretty papers. Here we start out with a fun starry one of the Disney papers with this different colored pom-pom trim here. And this was two-sided, so here's the other side. It looks like a collaged newspaper. And then fun paper here. And I did use two of the pages. There were lots of leftover pages in this one too, just like the other one. So I used one here as a flip out on this plain, pretty red page. And then this is a page from the book. And I did use another page, leftover page, from the book to make I made two drawing cards out of one page. So here's one part of the page here, made into a drawing card on craft paper, colored cardstock, sewn around, and I left a little bit showing around like a frame. I thought that was so pretty. So that is right here on this ledger paper page. All the paper clips have a little something on them, little ribbon or little decoration. Here's some of the pretty scrapbook paper with some trim here. I put, I think, three of my comic book Disney cards or tags in here. This is one of them that I put in this pocket here. And that was from a Disney comic book that I had turned the whole thing into tags and journal cards. This is a tag or journal card made from the retro file folder that I found at a thrift store. Just love those flowers and colors. And some note paper. There's a little camera sticker right there. So, and it's graph. You probably might not be able to see that, but it's graph or grid on that paper. And right next to it, I have a graph paper page from the book. Some music. Page from the book. A little pocket here, a little leftover piece from some plastic colorful notebook dividers, and a tag in there. Cute little tag. And then the center of this first signature, and so the back half here, a flip up, and you can I left this so you can decorate this or put a picture here or whatever you want, and just a little decorating right here in here with some stickers from the Disney paper pack. And then page from the book, some more music. This is a little over the page piece of paper here. So you can keep this together, and you could even like glue it down somewhere like this and make a flip up, or you know, anything. Just use your imagination. And then it's light blue, and then I've got a little frame here from the Disney paper, and then this is a stack of chocolate chip cookies. It's a sticker. That's a sticker. So just some crafty fun there that you can have. Page from the book. And the graph paper. This is a pocket here where we added trim, one of my book page tags. And some of my homemade note paper with a little sticker there that I added. Lots of writing space. And then a little puppy and kitten bookmark here. So cute. And graph paper. I put 2 tabs in here using game cards and playing cards. This is a little Mickey Mouse playing card. And I used it as a tab on this ledger page. And then a page from the book. That red page with a little cluster right here. A little button on top of a vintage button. And some fun paper. This is the, if you saw the last flip through, you will have seen the flip up card in that one. So this is the flip up card in this one. It's right here. And I will show you. I think it might be the same as the other one. I'm not sure. But I'm going to try to show you best I can. Suddenly decided to cough there. So flip up card, and this is the envelope from the card, and made it just as a little pocket here, and it's got a little kind of mini flashcard in there, math flashcard. So that is right in there. And then we're on to the second signature. I put the pom-pom trim right here on this signature, and then we're off to just a fun page here. And here on the back of this page, I've got 3 pockets, you know, small, medium, large. And in here I have some little sale priced tickets. Let's put it sideways so it fits in there. And there's one there, and this is a little drum tag. And this is another flip out in this second signature of a flip out page made with a page from the book. And this is some pretty blue paper in this signature. Some primary writing paper. Page from the book, pretty scrapbook paper. And there's a pocket here. And on the pocket we have a little belly band. In the belly band I have the little airmail envelope there, a little mini envelope. And another Disney tag here made from the comic book. From the Disney comic book. A little tag here. You make me so happy. A little journaling card. And a balloon tag. This was, I'm trying to think, I think this was made from a greeting card. And then here's the other tab where I made it from a Taboo game card. Right here. And some fun primary paper. This one has lines and pictures, so a different primary paper. Writing paper. And some pretty cardstock with a pocket here. This is a Disney postcard. And I'm sure these are vintage, but they don't have a date on them. There was one in each journal. And a tag that you can decorate or write on. And a little tag made from, this is from a, decorated by a Richard Scarry. Piece from a Richard Scarry page. Page from the book. Little flip up writing spot here with a pocket behind it. A large tag made from that retro file folder. The middle of this signature, and then now the back half. Little writing spot flip up there with 2 tags, little sale price. This red and white one, and then a little blue one here that you can craft with. You can add ribbon or writings or decorating or whatever you want. And then next scrapbook paper page here. has a pocket. In here is one of my book page tags. These pieces here are actually from Richard Scarry too, Richard Scarry book, word book, and then the index card that we decorated together. And then this is the birthday, like post-elect card, where it has all this writing space inside. And then it folds up, and you could actually mail it if you wanted to. Write somebody a letter. So, kind of fun. Could use that in a Happy Mail or something. The primary paper. And then here we did this pocket together, and then I added some washi tape trim. And in this pocket is one of my fabric bookmarks or, tag. And this little piece here, which you can make into a booklet, writing spot. You can cut it apart and use the two pieces however you wish. Just have some crafty fun there. And another little booklet with some, like different scrapbook papers, scraps on it, that is now made into a journaling card or a journaling spot. Page from the book. A pretty blue page with a flower down here. A little piece in the middle from the Disney paper kit. Scrapbook paper. And this is the other journaling card I made. I said I made two. This is the second one from the book page. Isn't that a cute picture of Dumbo? Really cute. And this one's backed on file folder. So pretty. I love the colors in the Dumbo book too, as well as the Donald Duck book. And then last page here is pretty scrapbook paper. And in the back we have our pocket, and this one is facing this way. The opening is over here. So we have two, I have a cut apart, and then another Disney card made from the comic book, the Disney comic book, or the Mickey Mouse, whatever it was, comic book. So I think this is the first Disney journal I've made, Disney related journal I've made since I made those cards, those Disney kind of journal cards. And then I just tie it up. You can tie it up, and you can tie the bow here, or you can kind of like bring it up to the top here and tie it here, whatever you want, whatever is easiest for you, but plenty of ribbon to do whatever you want there. And then the goodie pack, well, I have all the pages, the extra pages, so there's probably 8 to 10 pages here that you can have some fun with, fussy cutting, making tags, journal cards, flip outs, pockets, whatever you want. And then, as I said in my last flip through yesterday, probably, was I'm recycling. I like to recycle things, and then I put my goodies in. So to this time, I'm recycling some bubble envelopes. And in the bubble envelope, I have some blue tickets for you, and lots of things that you can craft with. Little labels with a blue frame. There's stickers, labels, and a little manila tag that you can decorate. 3 little pieces from the fabric that I use on the spine, so you can make clusters or whatever you want. I think I have 2 Rolodex cards. I make these, so I can make them any size I want. So I've got a small one and kind of a pretty much regular size. It's probably a little bit not quite as wide as a regular one. I'm not sure, but anyway, I just sometimes make them whatever size I feel like making them at the time. Oh, I put some little writing papers in here. These are like notebook papers that I cut into little squares and rounded the corners, so they're nice to put down on, if you want to write on there and then glue it down, or glue it down and then write on it or something, where you need some writing space. That's what those are good for. A little banner, or you could say it's a flag that you can use any which way in a journal. You can add a ribbon up here, a little topper, and write on it or decorate it. Just use your imagination on that. A playing card that I made into a spool, and on it I have this washi tape wrapped, so you can have some pretty washi tape to use in here. A nice manila envelope, a nice craft colored envelope that has in it, I think I have a few stickers in here for you. let's see, a little ticket. These are all stickers. So it says cinema on it. This is an airplane in the clouds. This is a license plate. I think those are cool. And then encouraging words. God is good. And those are in there. And plus you have a little envelope to do something with. And also a CD, red CD envelope. A blue tag that you can decorate and have crafty fun with. And a scrap piece of cardstock that this paper was actually used in that journal. So that is fun. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the flip through and everything. And I already I think I gave you a sneak peek the other day of my next journal. So stay tuned for that. And also I have another little crafty video coming up of, I'm going to call it ephemera that I'd like to make. And it also, if I have scraps to make it, I will. But I might not have enough scraps. You know, I keep up with my scraps pretty good. So I might not have the right size scraps to do this, but I will use scrapbook paper, actual whole pieces if I don't have scraps. So anyway, stay tuned for the ephemera. It's something different that I've never made before. So that's quite, unusual because I made so much ephemera. And also the new spring journals that I'm getting ready to dive into. Can't wait. I'll see you then. Thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting and all the good things. I appreciate it a lot. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.